In this video, I will be talking about modernism, modernization, and modernity from the point of view of the Bauhaus 1990 to 1928. The main designer is Walter Gropius, an architect. I will also be discussing how the Bauhaus affects contemporary design and the contemporary designer Jovan Ivan. I am sorry if I mispronounce some names and words. The definition of modernism refers to the 20th century movement which brought the set of ideas, ideals, and principles promoting change to a machine and man-made world, and the idea of form follows function in design. The definition of modernization is the process of becoming modern. The definition of modernity is the feeling of becoming, of being present. Modernism reflects contemporary design. Literary scholars have most often viewed modernism as part of a reaction to both historical changes and social order and aesthetic imperfection inherited from the 19th century. This is an example of the modernism design that was taken in 2013. This house presents the geometric shapes of modern design with the modern materials of black steel and glass on a white background of a building. Modernism then is about clean lines, simplicity, and space. Walter Gropius was born on 18th of May 1883 in Berlin, Germany. He died on July 5, 1969 at the age of 86 in Boston, Massachusetts, USA. He was educated at the Technische Universität München 1903 to 1904 and Berlin Institute of Technology 1905 to 1907. He was a famous architect in Germany, changing how design was viewed, favoring practical over displays of wealth. In Walter's timeline, he received many awards, including the AII Golden Medal in 1959, Albert Medal in 1961, and the Geoff Prize in 1961. Some of Walter's most famous buildings, including Burgess's Factory, Workbuck Exhibition 1914, the Bauhaus Gropius House, University of Baghdad, and the J.F. Kennedy Federal Building. He changed what design was back then and opened people's minds to new possibilities. The Bauhaus was a German design school created and designed by Walter. The Bauhaus was based in Berlin and started in 1919 until 1938. Other Bauhaus designers are Michael Berler, Herbert Bayer, Annie Alberts, and Annemarie Brad. The Bauhaus was seen to be one of the reasons why design, art, and architecture have changed today. The Bauhaus wanted to change the norm of design and to be more creative with the new materials and techniques the designers have learned since the First World War. It combines fine art with arts and crafts and influences modern design and contemporary art. The Bauhaus was a milestone in the evolution of art and design. It changed how artists thought and saw things. They used to just create what they saw and not what they felt. The Bauhaus was specifically designed to be a school for designers to explore their creativity. During this time, the Bauhaus was very different as it taught art, design, architecture, graphic design, and many more, when these subjects were normally taught separately. The Bauhaus building itself presents the bedroom aspect as one of the sides of the building is just glass. This means the building is light, bright, and free-flowing. The exterior of the building is simple with geometric shapes. The bright red door adds a pop of primary color to the buildings against the dark color. The materials used are modern materials such as glass and steel to create the new style of building and later used in furniture. The reason why the Bauhaus was closed was because the Germans during the Second World War thought that it would be useless to the German war effort and closed it down, and it was never reopened. But before the Bauhaus closed, it was arguably one of the best arts and design schools in the world. The principles of modernist design are social demographic, moral, anti-authority, anti-historicism, machine age, medium materials, production techniques, new modes of communication, text image, simplicity of form such as triangles, squares, cubes, and primary colors such as red, blue, yellow. The form follows function and production. These principles and ideas change depending on each style, such as contemporary design, which I'll be discussing later on in this video. Modernism does not follow the past. It looks at the time looks towards the future. At the time it was very different to what everyone did. They just knew how to create what they saw and not express themselves. Just how to express their wealth. Rooms used to be filled with stuff that looked expensive and cluttered and was very hard to clean. But that all changed as minimalism started to be the norm and designs represented this. The Bauhaus is about experimenting with different materials and techniques that happen to emerge and in what ways designers can use them. For example, when things are looked at from different angles, what is seen can be completely different. Contemporary architecture is a free-flowing style that is creative and uses a lot of curved lines. It also differs from modern architecture by including eco-friendly features and embracing all kinds of creativity and individuality. Both modernism and contemporary uses the used materials and techniques in their designs. Another difference is that contemporary design uses a wide range of materials, not just steel, glass, and the color white that modernism uses. Contemporary also uses concrete, aluminium sheets, and multiple other materials. Because of the wide range of materials, this creates a contrast or ununiformity in the design. Describing contemporary design is hard because it changes the followers because it changes to the new trends and in 100 years it would look different to what contemporary is known as today. That is why it can be very similar to modernism and what the Bauhaus was teaching about the evolution of design. This example shows that modernism has affected contemporary. The style seems similar. However, the contemporary style, there is a lot more going on in the layout, and the style seems to be introducing more personality compared to modernism. Also, the contemporary design means having a sleeker finish, whereas modernism design has more texture and more of a raw look to incorporate the natural elements and feel. Joachim Ivan is a contemporary designer known for his designs with Apple. He was born on the 20th of February 1967 and is currently aged 53, and he was born in London. He designed the iMac, iPod, iPhone, Power Mac G4 Cube, and iPad. He was educated at Walton High School and the University of Northumbria. He started working at Apple in September 1992 until he left in November 2019. It is now the serving councillor of the Royal College of Art in London. It changed how technology was designed from the big computers and phones to making them smaller, lighter, and faster. As you can see, the designs that he created are very different from 1998, and his designs have changed as the styles of the periods have changed, which is what contemporary design does. Styles change with the times, but keeps the same principles. His designs have changed the world of technology, much like how Walter's Bauhaus changed the design world. The principles used in the Bauhaus are similar to the contemporary principles that John used, such as geometric shape, glass, steel, and pop-out colors. In summary, the Bauhaus was created in 1990 by Walter Gropius. Walter G designed many famous buildings such as the Bauhaus, Gropius House, Max von Dohr, University of Bad Had, Fergus's Factory, Werkbund Exhibition, J.F. Kennedy Federal Building, Pan Am Building. Modernist and contemporary come from the same cloth. Contemporary design sees a change in design depending on the styles of that period. Joachim Ivan most famous building designs are iMac, iPod, iPhone, Power Mac G4 Cube, and iPad. Even though war is filled with destruction, design and art have been born from that destruction with the use of different materials, technologies, and techniques. Both Walter and Johnny have made big contributions to design and technology, which has impacted to what we see today.